guys, thanks for watching Naturalhairnamix. I am Candy and I'm coming to you today with another video. Yes, today's video is not going to be a tutorial of any sort. Today is going to be review day. I have been wearing this hair for just about 4 weeks and I've been getting a ton of questions about the hair, and so today I'm gonna just be, explaining my experience with the hair and let you know my true thoughts about the hair, my true feelings about the hair, what I think about it, if it's worth it, and all that jazz. So stick and stay for that. But before we talk about the hair, guys, I need y'all to come over here, and just to help me unbox my diffuser from Dossier. Can you believe it? Yes. Fragrance for the home from Dossier. So let's do this together and then we will jump right into the video. So as mentioned before, this diffuser that I'm unboxing is from Dossier. And if you have never heard about Dossier, Dossier is actually the producer of luxury high-end scents, both for the body and for the home, at a much lower and greatly reduced cost. So these are inspired by popular designer fragrances, but they are much more affordable. Now, if you purchase in multiples, if you purchase 3 or more, actually, you get a great discount. It's a 25% discount if you do, and you also get free shipping. Now, my diffuser of choice for today is Gourmand White Flowers. Yes, and it's actually inspired by Victor and Rolf's Flower Bomb. Included in the package is the reeds that you will insert into the fragrance for an amazing distribution of the smell in your space. So the notes of the particular one of choice, the Gourmand White Flowers, are bergamot, green tea, freesia, and berries as the top notes. The middle notes are actually white flower, orchid rose, and the base notes are musk, patchouli, caramel, and vanilla. Upon taking an initial whiff of the fragrance, it just gives me the feeling like I'm running through a field of flowers. And I'm also getting a nice spa-like vibe in my space when I set the diffuser down. I actually keep it at the side of my bed, and so it just gives the room a nice aroma and gives me a nice relaxing feeling in the space. So a little bit more about Dossier. Dossier has a policy where it is always easy for you to make a return. So if you purchase an item and you actually do not like how it smells, or if it's not your favorite, you can easily return it for a refund or a replacement. And great news, they are also now in Walmart, and so some of their fragrances are available there. All right, check them out. The link will be in my description box, and I can guarantee you will love their products. Yeah. Dossier.com for fragrances for the home and the body. All right, guys, so let's get into the video without any further ado. Yes. So this is the hairstyle that we are talking about. This is the hairstyle that I want to update you guys about. This is the 4th week since I have installed it. Let me just show you in real time how it's looking at week number 4. Alright, so just a little bit of background about the hair for those of you who might not have seen the installation video. You might have never heard about Yanky Twists before. You might have never heard about the website crochetbraidsplus.com before. Yes, that's where the hair was sourced, crochetbraidsplus.com. This color is called the ombre caramel mix, or caramel ombre mix. I think it's ombre caramel mix, and it is in the length medium. They come in lengths short, medium, or long. This is the medium length, and I did install it as I mentioned before, about approximately 4 weeks ago. So this is the 4th week, and this is how the hair is looking. You might want to go and check out the installation video so that you guys can have a better idea as to how the hair was looking upon installation, you know, so you can make your comparison. So this is how the hair is looking as of today. And just an update, guys, don't even look right here, because let me tell you, the buildup is real. Based on putting in edge control daily, it does leave a film and a buildup. And that reminds me, I'm going to be doing a wash video this week, yeah, maybe later this week or early next week, so that we can all determine if the hair holds up well after washing. Yes, this is my second time installing the hair. The first time I did not keep it in long enough to wash it. I'm definitely going to be washing it so that we can all determine if the hair, you know, will withstand the rigors of washing. All right, so first of all, the hair is considered by many people as being somewhat more on the more expensive side. Yes, it is definitely over $100 for the hair. I would not want to quote the price because the price does vary depending on which one you get. And so I would just say that the hair is over $100, but I believe it is under $200, depend, you know, regardless of the length that you get. But the big question is it worth the coins? Okay, is it worth, you know, spending all of your coins on some hair for a crochet style? So let's get into it. So first of all, one of the major things that you want to consider when you're determining if a style is worth it or if a style will hold up is if it gets frizzy easily. No, as you can see, yeah, from the looks of things, the hair has held its own pretty well. And I must make a disclaimer, and yeah, with some amount of, you know, shame, I don't always cover my hair at night. I would tell my clients every day that they need to do it, and then, you know, I end up not always doing it. Not necessarily by choice, but sometimes I end up going to bed before planned, and for that reason sometimes my hair is out and whatnot. And so yeah, I can safely say that this hair has stood the test of time, and it definitely does not frizz easily at all. After 4 weeks of wearing it, and after, you know, being, you know, not the very best caregiver of the hair, I can, you know, safely say that it does hold its own, and it does not frizz a lot at all. Also, the issue of tangling is non-existent. Again, why? Because the hair is not loose hair. The hair is actually micro twisted. So these are actually tiny, let me see if I can show you. These are actually tiny twists that are curled. Let me find something that I can put it against so you can see. I don't believe that based on the lighting you guys are seeing. Okay, so let me put it against this hat. Yeah, so this is actually a twist. See? The hair is twisted. All right. The hair is twisted, and so you won't find that the hair is going to get matted and tangled. That's something that you don't have to worry about where this hair is concerned. I do find sometimes, however, that very rarely, like a couple strands will cling to each other. I guess you always have some, you know, instances where people just live very loving. So yeah, a couple of the strands may tend to stick together sometimes, but as you can see, I'm not even seeing that now. Yeah, like in this case. But it's nothing that you cannot navigate, nothing that you can't easily maneuver. There's no big deal. Yeah, no real issue where that is concerned. That's just something that I observed, and I thought that I would come and, you know, let you guys know, in all honesty, all my observations about the hair. So that was the only thing that I would say happens sometime, but again, it's not a deal breaker. Okay. So for wearing the style for 4 weeks and literally pinning it up every single day, I literally have it pinned up more than I have it down. Why? Because I work from home, and so there's really no need for me to have the hair hanging down and styled once I am home. When I'm going out, then I do wear it down for the most part. But when I'm home, which is most times, it is up in a ponytail. Understand me? And so there is a lot of manipulation taking place with this hairstyle, and it's still giving. Yes, it's still giving. All right. So I've been getting so many questions about the hair, and so I thought I would come on and give you guys an update and just to set the record straight. A lot of people are concerned about, wasting the money on the hair and it not live up to the claims. But I am here to put your fears to rest. I'm here just to, assure you that it does what it says it will do. It gives what it says it will give. 4 weeks after installing it, and 4 weeks, some people might say 4 weeks is not a long time, but in my opinion, if you install a style and it is still looking decent in after 4 weeks, then you can safely say that the style holds up and that the hair quality is good. And for hair that is not human hair, it is excellent. Yeah, how the hair is holding up is, I would say, it is a strong 9 out of 10. My only one issue is where sometimes, as I said, some strands would cling to the other, but for me that is not a major problem. It's not like I need to have each strand separated in any event. Yeah, it's still fabulous. All right, so guys, go ahead and watch the video if you have not watched the installation video. I actually have multiple videos on this type of hair, so you can check out the different ones, different lengths, definitely different lengths. I have one with the long, I have one with two with the medium, I have different colors, so you can check them out. But if you want to see how I install this particular one, then you can go a couple weeks back and you will see that video. All right, thank you guys for watching, and continue to subscribe, share, comment, and like, and we will talk on the next one.